How to add admin to Instagram account. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, ensure your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook account. Next, open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged into the Facebook account connected to your Instagram. Then tap the hamburger icon at the top right to open the menu. Then select the settings icon at the top right. Now use the search bar at the top and search for page access. Furthermore, tap on page access. Moreover, beside the people with Facebook access, click on add new. Likewise, search for the user you want to add as admin and click on their name when it appears. Lastly, toggle the switch beside all of this person to also have full control. This action will grant them admin roles. Finally, hit give access. Once the user accepts your request, they will become an admin of your Instagram account. By following this step, you have successfully added an admin to your Instagram account.